everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Rita F Brewer for you. Today I'm not cooking. Today I want to show you guys how I prepare my DIY rosemary and cloves. Rosemary and cloves. So I have fresh rosemary here, and then I have cloves. Okay, I'll open. Those who don't know cloves, let me open and show you guys. This is cloves. Okay, it smells strong like pepper. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So what are you waiting for? Let's go to my intro, and then I'll show you guys step by step. Intro. Now I'm gonna take you guys step by step. Let me show you what you will need for this DIY for hair growth. This one is good when you braid your hair or you do cornrow. You just spray it and it's leaving in. You don't need to wash it. So first you will need bottle. So I have two types of bottle. Okay, you can use any one of your choice. You will need this one. You will need this glass. Okay, as usual, you need knife, and then you need green tea or any essential oil of your choice. I've already shown you guys the cloves and the rosemary already. And lastly, you will need warm water. So not wasting much time, let's get to it. DIY for hair growth. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'm going to show you guys this one. I have the dry rosemary, so you can either use the dry one or you use the fresh one. Okay, and then I have black seed as well. I have black seed, and then I'm gonna mix a little bit as well. So let's start. Okay, so I'm gonna use 60 ml. Okay, one fourth of this measurement, and then I'm gonna get one of the black seed. Okay, so just that. I'm gonna cut it into 3. I finished the first one. I'll do the second one the same. Then after that, you're gonna get the jar. Put them inside. Put everything inside. And then you put your black seed, and then you put 2 teaspoons, okay, of cloves. We'll add half more. And then you're gonna fill it up with warm water. And then you're gonna mix it a bit. So this one, you use it for your hair. You just spray. You don't need to wash it. As I said, you don't need to wash it. You don't need to wash it. So after you mix it well, you close it, shake, and leave it for 2 days. After 2 days, then you can use it. So I'll come back after 2 days, okay? Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna put it in a cool place, so I'm gonna put it in a cupboard, okay? So I'm gonna leave it here for 2 days, and then after 2 days I will come back. All right, so guys, 2 days has reached, so I'm gonna take it out and let's see. Okay, it's soaked well. Wow, see, it's not hot anymore. So now let's fix it into our bottle. So we're gonna need a stiffener and a bowl, and then we're gonna tip it inside. I have to hit it a little bit. Yep. Okay. Smell beautiful. So you're gonna leave it so all the water will go inside the bowl. Okay. Now the water has gone inside the bowl. I'm just gonna take this out. And now you're gonna I'm putting my green tea. So this is my essential oil. So I'm just gonna put a drop, okay? Green tea is very good. It helps to circulate your hair. So I'm just putting some drop inside because green tea is very good for your hair. It's very good. All essential oil are good, but green tea is the most powerful essential oil that I've known, okay? So after that, I'm just gonna take a fork and then I'm just gonna mix it together. And guys, this is a very massive hair growth. I'm doing this because I've been losing a front hair, okay? So I just want to use it on my edges, and my hair as well. I did my own hair. I have the link on the YouTube. You can check on my page if you want to know how to braid your hair. So go ahead and tip it in your bottle. As I said, you can use any bottle of your choice. I just want to double check. Okay, I have more to go. Oops, sorry. I've made a mess, guys. So I'm just gonna tip a little bit in a bowl. And then you're gonna cover it. And then use it on your hair. So now let me demonstrate how I use it on my hair, okay? My next video is coming. I'm gonna cook a delicious food, so check out for that video as well, okay? God bless you. Let's start. Let me show you how to use it. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to. All you have to do is spray under your hair. Spray it around. It's good when you braid your hair. You can use it under your hair. It's leaving in. You don't need to wash it out. You just leave it in. Don't wash it out. Just leave it in. Don't wash it out. So spray it under your hair. Massage it 2 to 5 minutes. And do this every 3 days in a week. So, because my front edge is going, so I just want to use it and see how I go. This is a very active, massive hair growth. It will grow your hair. If you have baldness, please try and put your comment down. God bless you. So I'm going ahead to spray all my hair. I'm just spraying all my hair. When you braid your hair, it's good because you can get a chance to spray. So you are spraying it under your scalp. Under your scalp. and you give it a good massage. So under your scalp, and then give it a good massage. I'll go ahead and do all. Give it a good massage. Give it a good massage. When you finish, you can leave the rest in the fridge for, you can keep it up to 2 weeks. So you leave it in the fridge and you can keep it and use it up to 2 weeks, okay? So when you're doing it, please don't forget your edges are very important. As I said, I'm losing some edges, so I do this to grow my edges, and I hope it grow quickly because I'm desperate for it. Because when I braid my hair, I normally tighten my edges so tightly, so that's why I'm losing hair in the front. So I'm gonna stop doing that and release my edges, okay? So guys, that is the end of it. So I need to end it. I need to continue doing the rest. So yeah, try it. This is rosemary and cloves water spray for massive hair growth. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch out for my next video. I'm gonna cook a delicious food. I'll see you again. Ciao Bella. Bye.